to me. Break it down for a chick with some money, yeah. Ooh. She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up.
Alright, babes, let's get started. So first, I just primed my face with the MAC Studio Radiant Moisturizing Plus Illuminating Silky Primer. Sorry. Y'all know I love this primer, and I'm using Black Opium Foundation Stick. I think my color is in Mocha. I think, don't quote me. I'm sorry, boobs. Just using that foundation stick in a beauty, quote unquote, a beauty blender to blend it out. And then I'm going to use my Sephora, our new Sephora's concealer in 21N. Now that I'm using this, like, I think that color 21N is really good for